How to change the color of your categories? Well, you may be adding categories to your post, like this one or this one, and you may notice that each category has different colors. You may even have created your own custom category, and a color was generated automatically. And you want to have a little more control over the appearance of your widget and your posts. So how to change these colors? Let's see. Go to settings by clicking on settings at the left menu. Then go to appearance. And in appearance, scroll down and find the categories section. You can here modify the colors of your categories by changing the hex color codes or even using this useful color picker. You can pick any color you want. And then remember to save the settings. In this section you can also hide some categories from your feed by clicking on show. This feature for showing or hiding categories, that means the category, not the post, is useful, for example, if you want to have some internal categories that only you see. Maybe from the different teams that write different posts, or from specific team members, or just for internal tallying and tracking. Well, maybe I just don't want to show that a fix is a fix, but my dev team needs to know that a fix is a fix. And that's it. That's the way to change the color of your categories, as easy as that. Thanks for watching.